Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Learnopedia. In this video, I will share with you National Library. This is a National Digital Library of India. It is available for all classes and courses. This is for school students. It includes textbooks of NCERT and 20 other school boards, question papers. It also includes video lectures, materials for exam preparation, and several other study materials are available on this digital library. Let's get started. Type NDL. You can also search National Digital Library of India or the first link. You can use the first link, that is ndl.itkgp.ac.in. You can use this link. You can use NDL also. Click on the first link available. This is the home page of the library. The library has 3 sections. First is Study at Home, which includes school, CBSE examination preparatory, engineering, science, humanities, and others. The second section is COVID-19 Research Repository. It includes documents, videos, journals and conferences, ideas and fundings, and others. The third section includes featured collections. It contains person of the week, topic of the week, talks and webinars, and etc. In this video, I will share with you how to use material from this digital library. Let's start with the school. Click on the school option. 5 options are available. You can search for video lectures, for preparation materials, simulations, activity, self-assessment, and various study materials. Number 3 is books, question papers, and others. Last is books and videos for general interest. Let's check out video lectures for school. Click on video lectures. Different topics video lectures are available. First is spoken tutorial. Second is English grammar, physics, and others. Let's check out for English grammar. Click on this. I am sharing this video on laptop. If you are using mobile or desktop computers, view is same. In mobile phones, if you are using digital library, towards the right top, like this 3 dots you will find in the mobile phone, click on this option, and from that option scroll down and select desktop site on mobile. You will find the same view as you can see here in this video. You can use library on the mobile phone also, as well as on laptops or desktop computers. Let's continue to search for video lectures. Into the right panel, top is the class section, class 9, 10 up to 12. Below is English grammar section. This is index for English grammar. Scroll down and check topics. Click on the topic you want. Subtopic of this topic will appear. Click on the topic for video lecture and the video will start. In this way, you can search for subject and topics using digital library. In this way, you can search for CBSE examination preparatory, engineering. Let's check out for science. Click on science. All subjects are visible. Let's check out for computer science. First one is questions and solutions. Second is videos, textbooks. Third is mathematics for computer science, and fourth is video lectures. Let's check out questions and solutions. You can also search for the content of computer science chapter wise. Chapter 1, 2, 3. It is given in chapter format. Let's check out for chapter 7, data structure. This is the home page of the subject. Again, go back to contents. This is chapter 7. Can go in the previous page. We can go for next page, prep and find option. Scroll down. Questions and solutions are given. Click on the problem. Problem with solution is given. In this way, you can search for chemistry, biology, environmental science, mathematics, and other subjects. Study material for undergraduate students is also available. This library is sponsored by National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, which is very useful. This is to make available to the learners community learning resources through a single window. This video will definitely help you how to access material from National Digital Library of India. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share with your friends and families so that they can also take advantage of digital library. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.